Hello, good morning, welcome back. So last time we have discussed the theoretical part and exercise 3.1. Now today we are going to solve some examples of exercise 3.2 and if possible 3.3, and I hope the remaining examples you will solve them as homework, and if there is any doubt you will ask me. Okay, so exercise 3.2. So the first example, the average of three consecutive even numbers is 3 into 6. If these three numbers are arranged in an ascending order, then the odd number just before the middle number and the even number just after the greater number are dash. Now one thing you should know that if there are three consecutive odd numbers or if there are three consecutive even numbers, their average is always the middle number. Suppose if there are 5 odd numbers or 5 consecutive even numbers, then their average is also the middle number. Okay, so what they have said, the average of 3 consecutive even numbers is 3 into 6. Okay, so exercise 3.2, number 1. Average of 3 consecutive even numbers is 3 into 6, that is 18. Now as I have said, that is the clue. Average of 3 or 5 consecutive even or odd numbers is always the middle number. Okay? So I have got here 3 consecutive even numbers. So suppose x, x plus 2 and x plus 4. These are 3 consecutive even numbers. Right? So the middle number is the average. So here, as 18 is average, what is the middle number? Yes, exactly. So therefore, middle number is 18. Right? So this is 18, middle number, minus 2, 16. And plus 2, 20. You can check it. X plus 2 is 18. So x is equal to 16. And x plus 4, 16 plus 4, 20. Do you understand? Now what they say? The odd number just before the middle number and even number just after the greater number. So odd number just before the middle number. So here is the odd number, which is that, yes, 17. And what they say, the even number just after the greater number. Which is the greater number? 20. So even number after that, which is that, oh yes, 22, right. And so they are, so the option is 17, 22, where you have got, yes, option number 3rd. So answer is option 3rd. Do you get it? Okay. So I hope you will take down this. Now let's go for the next second example. I am rubbing this. Now second example. What is the difference between the sum of twin prime numbers between 20 to 40 and the sum of twin prime numbers between 70 to 90? So let us find out twin prime numbers. Twin prime numbers between 20 to 40. Can you tell me? 29, 31. Yes. That is the only pair which is the twin prime number between 20 to 40. Their sum. What is the sum? 29 plus 31. 60. Then, next is twin prime numbers between 70 to 90. $70 to $90. Can you tell me? Yes, 71 and 73. And their sum. What is their sum? 71 plus 73. 144. Now what they say, you have to find the difference between these sums. So difference. So what is the difference? 144 minus 60. 14 minus 6 is 8. Right? So answer is 84. Now, so option number. Yes, option third. Right. Option third is the right answer. Okay. Now, then we can go to solve the next example. Sixth one. What is the difference between the two-digit even number and odd numbers? Okay. So you want to find two-digit even numbers. Two-digit even numbers and odd numbers. Means actually the question has to be what is the difference in the sum of two-digit even numbers and sum of two-digit odd numbers. Right? So, two-digit even numbers. They start from first two-digit even number is 10. And the last one, can you tell me? Yes, 98. But how many are they? So, how to find? I have given you nth term. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here Tn, last term, what it is? 98. A, what is the first term? 10. Right? And I don't know n. What is the common difference? Common difference is of 2. D means difference. Right? So, 98 is equal to 10 plus 2 into n, 2n. Minus 2 ones are 2. Right? Now, so 10 minus 2 is 8. Plus 2n. Bring this 8 to this side. So subtraction. 98 minus 8, that is equal to 2n. So 2n is equal to 90. N is equal to 45. Okay. So I got nth term. Now I can find the sum of all two-digit even numbers. How? Yes, I have got that formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into T1 plus Tn. What is n? 45. So 45 upon 2. T1 first term, that is 10. Tn last term, that is 98. Right? So 45 upon 2 into 10 plus 98, 108. Okay, so 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. So 54, right? Now 45 into 54. So you know the Ganesh method of multiplication. 45 into 54. 5 4s are 20, 2 carry on. 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25. Add them all. So 6 plus 5, 11 plus 2, 13, 1, 2 plus 2, 4. So 43, 4 carry on. Now 5 4s are 20 plus 4, 24. So 2430. That is the sum of all 2-digit even numbers. Okay. Now let us go for sum of all 2-digit odd numbers. So 2-digit, first let us find out 2-digit odd numbers. First 2-digit odd number is 11 and last 2-digit odd number is, yes, exactly, 99. Okay, so here A is 11 and last term Tn is 99. So we need to find out n is equal to how much? So A plus n minus 1 into D. Now nth term is 99, first term is 11 plus n minus 1 into difference is of 2. So bring this 11 to this side. So when it comes, it becomes minus. So 99 minus 11 is equal to n minus 1 into 2. So 99 minus 11, 88. That is equal to n minus 1 into 2. Divide both sides by 2. So 88 upon 2, that is equal to n minus 1. So 2 1s are, 2 4s are, 2 4s are. So 44 is equal to n minus 1. So n is equal to 44 plus 1, that is 45. So again the terms are same, number of terms is same, 45. Okay. Now, so sum of all 2-digit odd numbers, right? So that is Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket T1 plus Tn. So what is n? 45 upon 2. What is T1? 11. Tn 199. Right? So 45 upon 2 into 9 plus 1 10. 9 plus 1 10 plus 1 11. So 2 1s are 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. Okay. So that is equal to. Now again Ganesh method of multiplication. So 45 into 55. 5 5s are 25. 2 carry on. 5 4s are 20 and 5 5s are 25. So 47. 4 carry on. Okay. Now 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 4, 24. So 2475. Now we are supposed to find the difference. So let us find the difference. Okay. So I am rubbing this. Here I am writing the difference. What is the difference? Okay. So difference is equal to (2475) minus 2430. That is of 45. So option number 4. Okay. Option 4. Do you understand? Okay. Now let us go for next example. Okay. Now see, eighth example, exercise 3.2, eighth example. The sum of 5 consecutive even numbers is 660. What is the sum of the greatest and the smallest among them? Now, what it is given? Sum of 5 consecutive even numbers is how much? 660. Okay. Now, here only this sum is given. So what it means? X plus 2 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 6 plus x plus 8, that is equal to 660. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose if I divide both of them by 5, what will happen? X plus 2, I'll put brackets so that you will understand there are 5 different numbers. Okay, so x plus 4, x plus 6 and x plus 8. Now what I said, we will divide it by 5. So I divide this by also 5. Now when I divide both sides by 5, what is that? Yes, exactly, it is nothing but the average of the numbers. Average of 5 consecutive even numbers. So this will be equal to 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10. That is 132. So average of 5 consecutive even numbers is 132. And I have said, if there are 5 consecutive even numbers and if their average is given, then that average is equal to the middle number. Right? So average of 5 consecutive even numbers is equal to middle number. Am I right? So what it means? 132 is the middle number. Your average is what? 132. 132 is the middle number. So number before that 130, number before that 128. और उसके पीछे दो numbers, right? So 134 and 136. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now what they say? What is the sum of the greatest and the smallest among them? So this is the smallest and this is the greatest. Right? So their sum 128 plus 136. 8 plus 6, 14, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6 and 1 plus 1, 2. So the sum is 264 and option number 2. Yes, option 2. Now my dear students, you can solve in this way also. This is equal to this. Solve here, you will get value of x. Then you can find all the numbers, that is smallest and the greatest, and then you can find the addition. In that way also you can do, or you can go in this way also. There are various ways you can attempt. Okay. Now, so next, now I am going for exercise 3.3. So exercise 3.3, from that I am going to solve example number 2. So example number 2, the sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers is y. Which of the following is the even number next to the greatest of these odd numbers? Now what they say, sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers. Sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers is y. So simple thing. Suppose if I divide both this, I will place here equal to. Okay. So if I divide both this by how many? 3. That will give me average. Exactly. Yes. So therefore, sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers divided by 3, that is equal to y upon 3. And this is nothing but the average of 3 odd numbers, right? So therefore, average of 3 consecutive odd numbers, that is equal to y upon 3. And as I have said, if the average of 3 consecutive odd numbers is given, then that average is equal to the middle number, right? So therefore, middle number is equal to what? Yes, y upon 3. Middle number is y upon 3. So this is y upon 3. Number before this minus 2. So y upon 3 minus 2. Am I right? And number after this, y upon 3 plus 2. Now, what is their question? Their question is, which of the following is the even number next to the greatest of these odd numbers? So, which is the greatest odd number? Yes, greatest odd number is what? Y upon 3 plus 2. So, next even number. What is the next even number? Just add 1. Just add 1. So, plus 1. So, 2 plus 1, 3. So, y upon 3 plus 3. That is the answer. And so, option number, yes, exactly, option 4. I hope you have understood, right? Now, next. Let's go for the next example. Third one. What is the difference between the sum and the product of the smallest 1-digit odd prime number and the smallest 2-digit even number? Okay. So, first we will find out smallest 1-digit odd prime number. Smallest 1-digit odd prime number. Odd prime number, which is that 3, not 1, because 1 is neither composite nor prime, right? So, 3 is the smallest 1-digit odd prime number. Then what they say? Smallest 2-digit even number. Smallest, go step by step, smallest 2-digit even number. First find out what we need. So what is the smallest 2-digit even number? 10, right? Then what they say, what is the difference between what? Sum and the product. So first we will find the sum. What is the sum? 3 plus 10, that is 13. And the product. What is the product? 3 into 10, that is 30. And now we want to find the difference. What is the difference? 30 minus 13, that is 17, right? And so the option number is, oh yes, option 2. Option 2. Okay? Now, next example, we'll see. So seventh one. What is the total of fifth odd number, sixth even number and eighth odd number after 200? Okay. So fifth odd number after 200. Now, so first we want to find which is the fifth odd number after 200. Now one thing I would like to make it clear. Is 200 a odd number? No. 200 is an even number. So which is the next odd number? First odd number after 200? Yes, exactly. It is 201. So this is the first. This is the first odd number after 200 and 200. How many more I have to find? 4. Right? So what to do? 4 into 2. Why 2? Difference between the two odd numbers is always 2. And how many such I have to find? 4. So multiply 4 into 2. So 4 2s are. Yes, how many? 8. And 201 plus 8 is how much? 209. You can count it. 201, 203, 205, 207 and 209. This is the fifth. Okay. So I think you have understood. Then next what they have said. Sixth even number. Okay. What they have said? Sixth even number after 200. Now 200 itself is an even number. So definitely direct we can have 200 plus sixth even number. Again, difference between two even numbers is always, oh yes, 2. So what you can do? 6 into 2. That is 200 plus 12. That is 212. You can count it. 202, 204, 206, 208. कितने हो गए? 4, 210, 5 and 212, 6. We are right. Yes. Then next is eighth odd number after 200. I have to find eighth odd number after 200. Again, 200 is not odd number. So next odd number, first odd number 201. तो कितने बाकी रह गए? 7. So 7 multiplied by, oh yes, 2. Now you got it. So 201 plus 14, that is 215. Now what they say? You have to find the total. Total yani, yes, sum. So 209 plus 212 plus 215. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 9, 16. 1 carry on. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. And 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. So answer is 636. And so option number, oh yes, option 4. Okay. So option number 4 is the right answer. And today's last example that I am going to solve is the last from this exercise. Example number 10 I am going to solve. Now example number 10, what it says. The square of which of the following numbers is the difference between the 49th even number after 1575 and 70th even number before 1028. Now first thing, let us find these numbers, then let us go for another. Okay, that is what we want. Okay, so first what I want, 49th even number after 1575. 49th even number after 49th even number after 1575. Now first thing, 1575 is even number? No. So the first even number after 1575 is 1576. 1 gaya. 49 minus 1, 48. Right? So 48 into 2. Right? So 1576 plus 48 twos are how much? Yes, 96. Right? And now there's sum. So 6 plus 6, 12, 1 carry on. 9 plus 7, 16, plus 1, say 110, 1 carry on. 5 plus 1, 6. So 1672. You can check it. 6 plus 6, 12, 1 carry on. 9 plus 1, 10, plus 7, 17, 1 carry on. 5 plus 1, 6, and 1. So 1672. Now what they say? 70th even number. How much? 70th even number before whom 1028. अभी यहाँ पे before है, इसका मतलब the numbers which come before 1028, that I have to find. So what I will do? I will not add. I will, yes, subtract. Exactly. So 1028 is what? Even number. So 70 even numbers, 70th even number. So 70 into 2. Because this itself is an even number, right? So 1028 minus 140. 72 is 140. So 8 minus 0, 8. 2 minus 4, not possible. So 12 minus 4, 12 minus 4, 8. Right? Then this becomes 9. 9 minus 1, 8. And that one becomes 0. Okay. So 888. You can check it. 8 plus 0, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 1 carry on. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. Okay. Now what they say? Difference between this. So find the difference. Go step by step. Difference 1672 minus 888. 12 minus 8, 4. 12 minus 8, 4. 16 minus 8, 8. And this will be 15 minus 8, 7. And this becomes 0. So 784. Now what is the question? The square of which of the following numbers is the difference? Now the options given are 24, 28, 19 and 26. किसका स्क्वायर है 784? अरे yes, there you are. It is square of 28. And so option number 2. Right, my dear friends, you are right. This was asked in 2018. Okay, so my dear students, I have solved the examples from 3.2 and 3.3. I hope you will write down these all in your notebook and you will solve the remaining examples. And I am hoping that you will not find it any difficulty in solving them. You will not find any difficulty in solving them. If there is any difficulty, please do ask me. Okay? So, thanks a lot.